All right, it's time now for better food. You're looking for a cozy little spot to enjoy a great meal?
We might have just the place for you. It's Flair Restaurant in Southington, and the chef and owner Hector Delgado is joining us now. Welcome. Oh, and you brought someone along with you.
Wonderful. How you doing?
We're excellent. It looks good. It smells good. We can smell it from here.
Yes, I hope so.
So I love.
Last time I went there, you were able to taste it, but we'll see how I'm gonna get this shipped to you guys.
Yes.
Oh, we'd love that.
Please, please. So maple sweetened plantains, just one of the dishes that you're going to be talking about. I love plantains.
Yes. Yeah, we use a Flair. We use a lot of plantains. We focus a lot in Southern cuisine, but we do. Our menu is very, very diverse from all over. One of the dishes that we do with plantains, we use plantain chips. So when the plantain is green, we slice it thin and we fry it, and then we serve it with guacamole. But when the plantain turns to ripe, it becomes sweet, and this is what we take advantage of. These plantains, even though they look like kind of ugly, but they're beautiful. They're delicious. They're super honey. They're very, very full of honey. They're sweet. So what we do, we took the plantains, we slice it, and we sear it for a little bit until it gets golden brown. That, as it is already sweet. It's just fabulous. Okay, we deglaze the plantains with a little bit of the maple syrup, and we see all the ingredients over here, and then we take it out of the stove. We lay that on the plate. In the meantime, I use a very tropical summery fruit like kiwis right here, papaya, which is really very much from southern. And papaya is literally like a plum. Maybe a lot of people are very familiarized with papaya, but it's a very sweet, like the family of the honeydews, the cantaloupes. It's super sweet, and so I was looking for a nice contrast. And sear and blackening the shrimp. I don't know if you can see it right here.
Beautiful.
Blackening the shrimp. So it's a little bit spicy, but you mix it with these ingredients that are really sweet. It's just phenomenal. Okay, so what I did, I diced the kiwis, I diced the papaya, I put some ingredients like red onions, red peppers, and also a little bit of cilantro and lime juice. And that's it. We use some olive oil to finish it up, and we put it right over the plantains.
Hector, who's the guy next to you?
This is my son, Jose Delgado. He's always with me.
He's very good.
Oh, nice. Hi, Jose. So if we go to your restaurant, is it all different kinds of like Latin fusion food, or do we need a reservation?
A reservation is always helpful, especially at night time. It's always helpful. But we have, and our menu is very diverse menu. We have, we make all the pastas in house. We make pistachio cranberry chicken in here. It's probably one of our best sellers over here. And even though it sounds like a crazy dish, but combined with this lemon caper sauce, it just makes a winner. We have a risotto that we use a lot of blackened spices for the risotto, and the risotto has also a maple syrup and some other ingredients that it balances it out completely. So it's really, really good.
How long is the restaurant?
Second?
How long has the restaurant been there in Southington?
We've been over 3 years now.
Oh, good. Okay, good for you.
Absolutely.
And you have a son, your son who's there right there. He runs the bakery. You make some wonderful pastries and cakes.
Yes, we opened our pastry shop about 2 years ago, and it's working wonderful. We make all kind of pastries, all kind of cakes. We specialize in custom cakes, but we do all kind of pastries as well. We make pâté choux, we make eclairs, cream puffs. We do one of our best sellers is a carrot cake. So everything is made in house.
Hector, can you are plantains always cooked, or do you eat them raw?
No, you don't want to eat it raw.
You don't want to eat it raw.
That's not good.
That's a good question. I don't know if it was like a banana.
The bananas, however, we do in the Caribbean, we take, if you want to try, everybody wants to try at home, if you take the bananas, when they are green, and you do the same procedure that I just did with the plantains, it's very easy. Take the plantain, it comes out very easy, and you fry the bananas. You make some medallions, and you fry the bananas. The taste is absolutely wonderful. It's completely different than this, but look at how easy it is to peel.
Oh,
It just
that's
comes off.
great.
Okay,
Cool.
so it's very, very simple, right? The bananas are literally the only ones in that family that you can eat raw, but when they're ripe, all right?
Okay, yes.
When they're green, you can take advantage of that and do a wonderful dish with that. Very summery dish with some scallops of the crispy fried bananas, or like we do here at Flair, we also do some tostones, which is the green plantain. We cut a little bigger, and then we fry until it gets golden brown, and then we smash it. And we refry it again. That's a wonderful dish.
Well, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate it. Everything looks delicious. Thanks for coming on the show.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Bye, Jose.
Bye.
You said bye, Jose.
Bye. Have a good one.
Flair Restaurant is on Main Street in Southington, and they have a full bar. They even have some outdoor dining.
Upscale dining.
For more information.
And brunch is fantastic.
Oh, we're hearing brunch is fantastic. Okay. For more information, visit flairrestaurantandbar.com. I do love some plantains.
I do cook. I didn't know you couldn't even raw though. That's good to know.
I know, I wondered.
All right.
Okay.